33. Given the exponential function f of x equals 2 times 3 raised to the x power, graphed below, determine each of the following. Okay? So, range, remember range is your y values and domain is your x values. So remember when we're trying to find domain and range, we're basically trying to put this lovely graph into a box. Okay? So, if I look at my graph, when I try to draw like the left side of my graph, or the left side of my box, I can't because this line goes on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever, so I can't draw the left side of the box. The bottom of my box is going to be about right here. Okay? Because this line is never going to go, it's going to keep going closer and closer and closer, but it's never going to touch. My right side of the box, I can't because this line keeps going on forever and ever and ever. And then same with the top. So there's no top of my box. So that means the only part of the box I can draw is the bottom part. Okay. So that means my range. So that means all my y values are going to be greater than 0. Okay. Because this is the bottom of my box and everything is above it. So that means y is greater than 0. My domain is all real numbers because I can put any x value that I want into this equation and I'll get a y value. Also because there's no left and right side of my box. Okay? Y-intercept should be pretty easy. It's just where does it touch the y-axis? Touches it right here at a positive 2. Okay? Equation of the asymptote. Asymptote is an invisible line that my graph doesn't touch, but it gets really close to it. Like so close that you think that they touch, but they're really not touching. And that also has to deal with the range of my function. So it's just y equals 0. Because my graph approaches y equals 0, this line right here that I drew, but never touches it.